Hey, what's up guys, welcome. Last time I made a video about the Samsung Galaxy S11, I was kind of angry and somewhat disappointed. Since then, I have had time to cool down and think about this with a peaceful mind and I still don't like it. I know you were expecting something else, but man, I still don't really like it. I have covered the normal Galaxy S11 in my last video, which I will link over here. You can check it out after finishing this video. So the Galaxy S11E has been leaked and it shares most of the same DNA as the bigger brother Galaxy S11. We have this new blue color with the same black huge cutout for the camera setup. And I gotta say, it looks just a bit less weird than it looked on the Galaxy S11. It might be because of the blue color or the fact that it is just a tiny bit smaller, but it do look a little bit better as compared to the camera setup of the Galaxy S11. Now don't get me wrong, I am still not sold on this design and I'm also not a fan of what Samsung has done with the Galaxy S11, but honestly this setup looks better on the Galaxy S10e than it looks on the Galaxy S11. And all my feelings from my last video will stand true today also about the most expensive Samsung smartphone looking almost exactly like the cheaper Galaxy A51 and the A71. Like, that's messed up, dude. You gotta have some differences between a $1,200 and a $1,300 smartphone. Yes, making them same will increase the sales for the $300 smartphone, but on the other hand, it will hurt the sales of the $1,200 one. So which one is more important? You decide, Samsung, I'll leave it on you. We get 3 cameras in this thing, including standard wide angle and telephoto lens. We also get a flashlight, and this smaller hole over here will be used for laser autofocusing, which will make it easier and quicker for focus, especially on moving objects. The port selection is the same as we expected: a speaker grill, a charging port and a microphone hole. On the right we get the power button and the volume rockers. Samsung changed their position from the left hand side, which was on the Note 10, to the right hand side, which is on the Galaxy S11, and I don't really know is it going to be any good or bad. The biggest noticeable change you will actually experience other than the cameras is the battery capacity. It is going to get an update from 3100 mAh to almost 4000 mAh, which is a lot and should provide in theory about 40% of increment after counting the newer and more power efficient silicon inside. This smartphone will be released in the 3rd week of February with a Snapdragon 865 processor with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of storage options, and maybe a microSD slot. I'm not really sure on that. Let me know your thoughts about the Galaxy S10e, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for regular tech updates, and as always guys, thanks for watching.